Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to use two accounts on WhatsApp. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use two accounts over onto the WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And if you do have an update available on the App Store, I would like today, super, with updating your application, suitably does version so that you're gonna have the best feature is on your application, so go ahead and do so right now. And what I want you guys to do next is to go ahead and, of course, launch the application and log on into your preferred accounts, guys. So once you have already done so, it actually now go ahead and try to see if the option for us to access different accounts is gonna be located already here. So you can actually tap on account over here and see different options and basically use that. But if you cannot see any option to add another account, of course, what we actually do is to go ahead and download another account under the same WhatsApp application. So this is gonna be the WhatsApp business account. They could actually go ahead and use the WhatsApp business account just as you would a WhatsApp account. All we need to do is go ahead and download this application on our device. Launch it, log on to our preferred phone number, and then you can now use two different accounts simultaneously on two different WhatsApp application. First is the WhatsApp business, which is gonna be we're gonna look like the same as the normal WhatsApp account would look like. And then of course, on this WhatsApp Messenger account, on your original WhatsApp application, you could log on to your first or primary phone number. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.